A prenup is basically an agreement that you and your partner can come up with, and it entails specific terms regarding the division of your assets and your debts. It can clarify that your inheritance should not be something that is part of your shared finances. So you can make sure that you protect your legacy through a prenup if you have a big inheritance coming in. You can also protect your business interest, any property, and think of it basically like an insurance. I hope you never need it, but just in case you do, there's something that helps protect you and your family, your finances, and just gives you a peace of mind in the future. A good prenup can help you keep your finances separate, so that way if you do have an inheritance, it's not mixed in with your shared finances. That way you have clear expectations and clear communication as to what belongs to you, and that your partner does not have any interest in any potential inheritances in the future. It's very important to keep the time in mind. So if you are interested in a prenup, have a conversation very early on, not very close to the wedding date, because then there are a lot of other things that can help invalidate the prenup. You should have the conversation early, encourage each other to have an open and honest conversation, so that way you have clear understanding as to what the assets even entail, what your incomes are, and how you could potentially be responsible for some of the finances. You should also encourage each other to seek independent counsel, so that way both of you know exactly what your potential rights and obligations may be. If you're nervous about asking for a prenup, you should think about it as your first group project, basically, with your partner. It's an opportunity for you to have an open and honest conversation with each other, and it helps you both build trust in your relationship. Think of it that way, and that might ease your nerves a little bit. So when you have a conversation, it's not about questioning your partner, but it's actually being a little bit more upfront and honest with each other. A prenup is not a prediction of divorce. It can actually help strengthen your relationship because you're forced to have a very open and honest conversation about your finances, something that most people don't like to have. It can also help set realistic expectations as to what your financial responsibilities are going to be during the relationship. Oftentimes, people don't realize there's already a prenup in place. Your default prenup is your state law. If you have a prenup, it can help you make a commitment to each other with the terms pursuant to what works best for you and what you value most, as opposed to having the state dictate your relationship. If you are considering a prenup and you're not sure how to go forward, feel free to contact Real Fathers Rights. We deal with them all the time, and we can definitely assist you with the next steps.